Hi everyone, me, Summer and I'm here, and today we're doing the Wet Head Challenge! Yay! And after we play this challenge, we're going to be sharing out some Kinder Eggs! And there's Kinder Joy, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, My Little Pony, and there's Palace Pets, and Disney Princess in here, or a pet, yeah. And Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We're going to be playing this Wet Head Challenge with a little twist. We're going to be not pouring water, we're going to be using slime bath. And after this round, we're going to be using some green slime bath. It feels like water, but when you put it out, it's not. Yeah. So, yeah. So now let's pour it into This is how you play Wet Head. So you can spin this, and if it lands on pull one pin, then you basically have to pull one pin. Bob the Builder, can you wet it? Bob the Builder, yes, you can wet it. And if it lands on pull two pins, you just have to pull two pins. And if it lands on skip a turn, you skip a turn. And if it lands on pull one pin and spin again, you obviously pull one pin. Then you spin this again. And then if it lands, is that true? No. Oh yeah, and if it lands on reverse, so if it starts with Summer and I was last, then it'll go all the way back to me. So, who would like to go first? You just have to push this in like that. Okay. So let's put your hat on. You can do the Velcro part. Okay. Should I just hold on to it for you? Summer said she wants to go first, so she gets to go first. And look, it looks like she's got a helicopter head. So now you get to spin this now, Summer. Pull two pins! Ooh, I'm so nervous. Tiana, help! Pull two pins. One. Okay, get to pull number one. I'm not very excited. Pull it back. Pull it. Oh! So now... Did I not get it? No! I thought you said oh because I got it. Oh no. So I guess it's going smallest to biggest. I guess it's going smallest to biggest. Okay, so it feels like it's still on my head. Wait. Pull one pin. Pull one pin. I'm so scared for you. For you. No! Let's go. Tiana's turn. Oh, come on. Oh, you can spin now. Can you help me? Wait, there. And here's the pin. Wait. Okay, since I got reverse, Sila's turn. Look, Isla. Oh no. There's only 5. You're so lucky, Tiana. Oh. I can't believe I got reverse, guys. Nobody gets that. No, I've not seen anybody get it before. Oh, no. If you get it, so I got pull one pin and spin again. So what you have to do is pull one pin and spin the wheel again, and then whatever you get, you have to do it. Sorry, if I get it again. I'm so sorry if you get it, Isla. Okay, so pull one pin. I'm so sorry for you if you get it. Yes. And I can't pull it. Oh no! Oh no! It's good. Oh no! I did not it. Oh no.
Look at that. Listen. Let me make it. Sounds like poop.
You say that all the time. We're going to use a green slime this time.
And Isla's going to go first. Hopefully you don't get it again.
Carry on.
Whoa.
Oh, that is
Isla. when you put the lid on, some will come out.
Oh no.
Because it's like, don't worry.
Yeah.
What? No. How did that happen? When I did it, some came out and I like poured less than Isla.
Gross. I'm going first this time, then Summer, and then Tiana's going last. So let's spin. Oh. Pull one pin.
Okay, so that's lucky, kind of.
Yeah, because you're going to have to pull one.
You probably won't get it.
Isla's done it. Pull one pin. Wait, let's turn it first.
Hopefully you don't get it.
Phew.
Wait, slime came out when you poured this out. It came on there. Ew.
Okay, but you didn't get it though. Now it's Summer's go.
Oh no.
Here's the pin.
But first you have to spin.
Oh yeah, spin it.
I'll spin it. It's my go, so let's spin it.
Pull one pin and spin again. Oh, builder.
Okay. I might. Is that on? Okay,
That's
so
not
on. Let's just do this.
Okay, now you pull one pin. Oh.
I picked this one. Spin again. It's still coming out.
Yeah, look.
It's so cold. Stop. No, you'll get to slime.
Slime time.
Slime. The slime felt like really cold and it went down the front of my t-shirt and the back, and then I'm gonna dip it in.
You sound so worried.
I didn't know that.
Don't make it go too fast, it will overflow. Almost.
Wait,
you just used all of it.
All of it.
Wait, where's the lid? The lid. I don't know where the lid is. Let's just wait for the lid.
Oh no!
Put the lid on too.
Because I lost, I'm gonna spin first. Let's spin it. I got skip a turn, I think. I got
Because Summer got skip a turn, I'm going to spin. Spin again!
Let's do this.
Okay, let's pull. Okay, come on.
Okay, let's spin again. You got Oh no.
She got to pull.
Let's pull one again. Can't believe you.
And now spin.
Okay, spin again, so I didn't get it. I'm just probably gonna get it this time.
Because Tiana got reversed, it's Summer's go.
So you get to spin say the drums. I got
pull one pin.
So put the hat on. Wait, okay, I put it on. Can you please let's twist it?
After Summer, it's Tiana again.
Yay! So pull one pin. Have you got it?
No, it's Tiana's go.
Have you? No, I don't feel like Wait, please get it. Please. Oh no! Wait. Oh, I got it! I don't even know if I did get it or not though.
It's ripping. Yeah, you got it.
Oh. Put the helmet on right now. Shake.
Okay, I can get it on myself. I seriously can.
It don't even feel like any stripping. Did you get it or not? I don't know. I don't know if I got it.
You did because it's dripping.
I don't know. I don't even know if I got it. Oh, you got it. Yeah. Yay! You got it.
Soaked in my hair so I didn't get it. But then Daddy poured it in. And then it went a That challenge was super great.
Yes,
So now we shared out some Kinder eggs. So now let's open them.
I'm gonna open
First,
the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles first because I'm gonna say Kinder Joy for that's because Kinder Joy's the best.
I get to open Kinder Joy first.
Me too.
I got an elephant bracelet. Wait, is that an elephant bracelet?
That is so cool.
I just opened my food first and now I'm going
Hopefully I get that. I'm gonna try it.
my toy all finished.
And here's my toy. You're supposed to open that bit, but I can't do it. It's too hard. I can.
So this is
a bracelet.
I got a ballerina that has a
Okay, so
hula
let's
hoop.
open. Let's taste the chocolate.
I'm going to taste some Kinder food.
Yum yum yum.
Let's taste some white. I'm going to taste. I'm going to open the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I said I was going to taste the one.
Taste the wrapper.
I'm opening Palace Pet.
No. Yeah, I'm
Let's see what I got in my capsule. Ooh, I'm not sure who he is.
Orange. He's one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is what I got out of the princess egg.
I got
Out of the way, I'll build it. So,
ooh, out of Palace Pets, I got. Ooh, I got Rapunzel.
I know what I got. I got this flower thingy. flower thingy-majiggy.
Thingamabob.
That's what. Okay, so I got. Look how cute it is. Oh,
I got a horse. Mine was in purple. Oh, this was like a chair.
I got that horse before, and my sister has that. And now I got another Palace Pet, which is the best thing
I got
ever.
a ring.
Wait,
So now I only got one more.
my sister has that one.
what?
I have that one. Wait.
So good. Here's a ring. I got one of those as well.
yours.
Okay, mine.
Oh yeah, that's mine.
And this horse is so cute. And it's a Palace Pet.
Chocolate's so good.
And this is a Palace Pet as well. So this is into all the games. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's very confusing.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
And look at this cute little doggy and Fluttershy and this boot. And you can pop your finger in and it looks like it's walking.
If you get two, it's like feet.
That wet challenge was so much fun. And now we all smell like slime bath.
Ew, I'm slipping.
I'm married. So I'm